Welcome back to our coding problem series. Today, we are tackling a challenging problem often found in technical interviews, finding subarrays with exactly k different integers. This is classified as a hard problem, but we will break it down into simple, manageable steps using the sliding window technique. Let's first understand the goal. We are given an array of integers, and a number k we need to count how many contiguous subarrays contain exactly k unique numbers. For example, if our array is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and k is 2, we are looking for subarrays like 1, 2, 2, 1, or 1, 2, 1, 2. All of these have exactly two distinct values. To visualize this, look at the subarray 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Even though it has 5 elements total, the only unique values are 1, 2, and 3. So the count of distinct integers here is 3. If our target k was 2, this specific subarray would not count. We need to find every possible slice of the array that matches our criteria. The most intuitive way to solve this is the brute force approach. We could use 2 loops to check every possible subarray. For each subarray, we would count the unique elements using a set. If the size of the set equals k, we increment our answer. However, this method has a time complexity of O of n squared, which is too slow for large inputs. To solve this efficiently, we use the sliding window technique. Instead of starting from scratch for every subarray, we maintain a window that expands and shrinks as we move through the array. This allows us to achieve a linear time complexity of O of n, making the solution much faster. Here is the catch. Standard sliding window algorithms are great for finding conditions like AtMost k, or at least k. Finding exactly k is difficult because the window doesn't slide smoothly. It might need to jump around. But there is a clever mathematical trick we can use. The number of subarrays with exactly k distinct integers is equal to the number of subarrays with AtMost k minus the number of subarrays with AtMost k minus 1. Think of it like a Venn diagram. The set of subarrays with AtMost k distinct integers includes those with 1, 2, up to k distinct integers. If we subtract the set of subarrays with AtMost k minus 1, we remove everything except the ones with exactly k. This transforms our hard problem into 2 easier subproblems. Now we just need a function to count subarrays with AtMost k distinct integers. The algorithm is simple. 1. Expand the right pointer to add elements. 2. If the distinct count exceeds k, shrink the window from the left. 3. For every valid window, add the length of the window to our total count. 4. Repeat this until we reach the end. You might wonder why we add right minus left plus 1 to the answer. Whenever we find a valid window ending at a new element, that new element forms valid subarrays with all previous elements in the window. For example, if the window is 1, 2, 1, adding the last one creates 3 new valid subarrays: the single element 1, the pair 2, 1, and the full sequence 1, 2, 1. Finally, let's look at the performance. Because we run the sliding window process twice, once for k and once for k minus 1, our time complexity is O of n. Each element is added and removed from the window AtMost twice. The space complexity is also O of n, as we use a frequency map to track element counts. This is the optimal solution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.